What's up, guys? How's it going? So, how can you work from home and live on your own terms? So, let's study that, right? How can you work from home? Well, it's quite simple. I work from home, as you can see, that stuff. That's what I wear on a daily basis. It's gonna get warmer in my country. I'm in Europe, so Belgium. So it's gonna get warmer. So maybe I'll change that stuff and I'll wear something else. Whatever. I'll still do the same kind of videos, same content. Just my clothing style is going to change. Maybe not, but we'll see. Anyway, so yeah, right. How can you do the same kind of stuff? Well, you need one thing and only one. You need the fucking internet. If you have internet, you can work from home, no problem. All right. You don't need to have a job somewhere or whatever the fuck. If you have internet, you can make it happen, right? Not that complicated. Now you have to make a choice basically between two things. Are you going three choice between three things? Are you going to work for someone else or for yourself? If you decide to work from someone else, change channels, because like yeah, you will work from home, but you will not be living on your own terms. So just stop the video, go watch something else. This is not for you. If you want to like work for yourself, meaning live on your own terms, but we're going to talk more about this later. If you want to work from home and you want to work for yourself, which means that if you work 1 hour, it's 1 hour for you, not 1 hour for someone else. It's not about someone else telling you like, hey, you work for 1 hour, so here are $20. Go buy yourself some shit. We don't do that. We don't want to do that, all right? We don't want to sell our time. We are not prostitute of time, but whatever, it's just my opinion. You can do whatever the fuck you want. So you decide to work for yourself. If you don't want to work for yourself, change channel. So you want to work for yourself. Then you have to make another choice. Are you going to serve customers, clients, people, or are you going to serve businesses? Now, from experience, the best thing to go about is to work with businesses. Why? It's you can charge way more, it's easier, it's faster, it's less problem in general. Now, if there are problems with businesses, you're fucked. It's gonna be really ugly, really bad, really fast. With clients, it's not that bad, but with businesses, it's just an easier life, and you can make 10k, 20k quite easily. I mean, you need 10 to 20 clients, 10 to 20 businesses, and you're done, right? So it's really fast. Now, the thing is, you need to add to their bottom line, to their bottom or top line. You need to add revenue to their businesses. So that means you need to be good either at sales, at coaching people about how to sell better, how to market. You need to help them with their marketing, with their ad budget, whatever the fuck. Basically, help them make more money. If you cannot do that, you're out. So you need to have specific skills to go with businesses. If that's not you, if you're more about how to lose weight, how to fish, how to bake the bread perfectly so that it's crispy and shit, how to, I don't know, how to be a good cook, how to be a good mom, whatever that is not about how to make more money with your business, meaning marketing, sales, whatever, those skills you will need to go to clients, to customer, to people. And that's going to be most of you guys watching this video. You're probably going to have to go to customers, to clients. Guys online want to sell you SMMA, social media marketing agency, but let's be honest, if you have to deliver results, right? If you've never done ads, if you've never done marketing, like start with something else, then maybe go in there, all right? But if you don't have marketing or sales skill, go people to people. It's the fastest and easiest way. You don't need that many skills, guys, because sales and marketing is more about good content and more good content. If you provide good content, you don't need to sell. People will want to give you money. So if you create good content, that's all you need. That's why when you start out, or even after, even when you're quite good, you first go with people to people. It's not easier because you're gonna have more emails. It's more customer service heavy, right? This business model, but it's easier to get into it, right? Now, what does live on your own terms mean? So when you know that, all right, I want to work for myself, I want to serve people, I want to serve clients. Well, now that, you need to know what are your terms, right? My terms are basically, I can wake up whenever I want. This is my rule number one. I usually wake up at 11 a.m. or midday, some, in that range. I don't want to wake up with an alarm clock. I want to wake up when I want to get out of bed. So that's really tricky. Sometimes I'm just gonna stay in bed for like 1 or 2 hours because I don't want to get out of bed. To me, school was very traumatizing. So I don't want to get out of bed most of the time, and I need like 5 minutes, sometimes half an hour to get out of there. But that's my rule number one. I want to be able to do that. My rule number two is that I want to work whenever I want to work. I don't have to work if I don't want to work. So that's my second rule. That's basically the freedom of time. I work when I want, and that is to me a great thing, because if I have to work from like 1 p.m. to 9 p.m., I'm gonna go mad. I'm gonna go insane. Because maybe at 5 p.m., I'm not gonna want to work. I'm gonna want to take a break for 2 hours and just go walk into the sunset, whatever the fuck, Maybe I don't want to work at that time. So to me, it's important to really have that space of time and that freedom of time. So that's my second term. Now my third term is that I can make money even if I'm not there. I can make money when I sleep, when I take my shit, when I take my shower. Basically, I don't want to work for money. I know that it's important to work for money, especially at the start, so that you can have more income, so you can take that income and put it in ads and that kind of stuff. So I do that, yes, but I don't want to have to do that more than I should. So those are my three things. The third thing, right now I'm really going hard on it, meaning I'm not really doing it. I'm having a lot of active income as of now. I'm like at 40% of my income. Well, not last month was like 30%. Month after that was like 20%. Month before was 30%. So I'm around that. But I really want to get that down to like 10 to 15%. But sometimes you have to go through that in order to get past it. So now, what are your terms? You can just write them in the comment below, so everybody knows, so I know what the fuck you're doing. But if you don't want to write it, just ask yourself, what would you need to feel like you're living life on your own terms? What is the first thing? And it can be fucking simple. I can decide to take my shower in the morning or in the evening because I'm not in a hurry in the morning. So that could be your first rule, right? Or it could be, I want to be able to go to bed at any time that I want without worrying about waking up tomorrow. You see how my first rules are related to waking up? So that's why it's my first rule. That's what I think about. What do you think about? When you think about freedom, what is it? It could be like, work whenever I want. It could be anything that you want. It's your life, it's your brain, it's your values and principles. So just find yours. And now, how do you get there, right? You might be like, all right, I want to work for myself. I want to serve clients because I have a specific knowledge about a specific topic. And my living on my own terms means that I can work whenever I want. If I want to work, I work. If I don't want to work, I don't work, right? Maybe it's like you're in that spot. And then you're like, all right, what do I fucking do now? So it's cool, man. I'm like a boner. I'm thinking about freedom and shit. And what do I do now? Well, it's so fucking simple. You're gonna hate me. But the easiest way to make money online is not to make service. Is not to do weird shit with apps or launch an app or do how do they call that? Like Shopify shit. Do that stuff. It's not doing that. The fastest way to make money online is to have a coaching for not much expensive, right? So for example, if I offer you like fitness, maybe if you're not into fitness, don't think about this, think about something you're into. But let's say that someone that you're looking at their content and you're like, all right, that guy, he knows what the fuck he's talking about. And that guy tells you, for $49 per month, I will coach you personally with that specific topic. I mean, that's a fucking great offer. Even if you're a crappy salesman, even if like you just don't fucking get it, about marketing and sales, you can still make an income online with that shit. Now, will you make it tomorrow? Probably not, because most guys don't even know how to make a sales page or how to what kind of software to use to make payment processor or shit like this. So no, you might not get that done for tomorrow, but in 2 months, 3 months, if you work at it every day, it's not gonna happen by itself. You can make it happen. How do you do that? I have a link in the description or right up there to a video that will tell you exactly what you need to do. Basically, you create content around that specific topic that you're good at. You show that content to as many people as you can, and then you offer your services. I know it's like, how can that work? But think about this. Whether you are online or out offline, for example, you go in a gym or you go watch a channel about working out, you're still you. You're still the same dude. Your behavior might change, but you're still you, right? So maybe you're gonna look like way faster at the YouTube channel. You're gonna look like for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then you're done. And maybe that when it's in real life, you'll be there for like 1 hour, but it's still you. It's still the same shit. So if the guy online is like, hey, I can coach you for $49, and then he shows you how he's good at coaching, how that person has lost weight, how that dude build muscle, how that exercise works, and how that shit works and stuff. And you go to the gym, and the chick there that shows you the gym is like, yeah, so it's really great, it's really nice, and it's really perfect, and I mean, you can work out so hard in here. You know what I mean? You're gonna be like, all right, I'm gonna work there, but my coach is gonna be that online dude because that dude looks like he knows what the fuck he's talking about. That's how you make money online. You just get people to watch your shit, and when people watch your shit, they want you. When you watch people, you want them. If you look at a chick and you like that chick, you're way more likely to want to have an affair with her than with the random chick of wherever, right? It's the same shit at all level. So, for example, if there's a YouTube channel that you really like, it's probable, maybe not, but most likely, if that dude or that girl puts something out, you're probably gonna buy it, or you will be interested in. Well, whatever works on you will work on other people. So if you're interested in it, other people will, right? You can just reverse that process, right? You can just be on the other end of the receiving. Instead of paying shit, you can be the one offering people to pay shit. You can reverse that, and it works. I mean, it's fucking A, man. Just use that shit. If you want to do it, don't talk about how you want to do it. Just fucking go do it. I'm so tired of hearing you. Yeah, man, you're right. I should do it. Shut the fuck up. If you want to do it, do it. It's that simple. There's nothing complicated on it. It's hard because you need to work. You need to produce shit. So you're gonna be active, right? You're gonna be exerting energy. Yeah, fuck yeah, you want to make an income online, you want to be free. Well, it's not earned. Well, no, it's not gotten, it's earned or something like this. Basically, you gotta work for it. It's like if you want to go out with a chick, you need to ask her to go out. You need to ask her. You need to produce work, energy, if you want results. If you just want to stay in your bed, do nothing all day, watch TV, you're never gonna get it. Never. You get results by producing energy. You cannot produce energy in your bed. Now, funny enough, I work from bed while watching TV, so that's kind of like something else. But yeah, man, everyone works how they want to work. You can do a lot. You can do a lot. Let's just say that. Let's just end it here. You can do a lot online. You just need to be like, fuck, I'm going in. If you don't tell yourself, fuck, I'm going in, you're not gonna make it. It's not easy to make it online, guys. Guys will tell you, yeah, it's super easy because they make money when you buy their courses. It's not easy. It's hard to make it online. You need time, you need effort, you need patience, you need skills. It takes time. But man, if I had a job right now I'd probably be dead. I'd probably already killed myself or some shit. Maybe not. But I'd be so fucking depressed and miserable. My life would be unbearable. I remember when I was working as a physiotherapist, man, for like 9 to 5, back in the train to my home, man. I could do that for a month. After that, I just start to get depressed because that shit is... It's easier. Like, you don't need to worry about money. But in the end, like, it's your life, man. You're giving away hour of your time. You will be working anyway. But when you're working as a job, you're working to make an income this month. No, this month. When you're working online, you're building an empire so that you can capitalize on that fucking empire in the next years. Whatever you're doing online, it's like real estate. It never goes away. For example, if you do a fitness coaching with that person, when you're done with the fitness coaching, it's done. The transaction is done. Now with online, you can videotape it, take that, make a program or a free video and then offer it or make people pay for it. You can repurpose everything in your business, in your venture online. That's why online is so great. That's why you can be passive. You can demultiply yourself like 1 billion times, as much as you want, as much as you're willing to put in the work. But if you don't want to work, you just want to chill all day, get a job. It's gonna be easier for you. If you just want to work, if you just want to chill all day and you're not ready to invest like the next 5 years of your life into this, it's not gonna work out, man. Now, if you're ready to invest the next 5 years of your life to work like a bit harder than if you were an employee, you could create some real lasting freedom for you. Because when you get money and you know where to put it, you can become rich. It's all on you. You can do it if you work, but you need to work. You cannot succeed without work. When you see guys succeeding, it's because they worked. Maybe you didn't see it, but they fucking worked. So get to it, man. Fucking move your fucking ass. Stop saying you're gonna do it and get started today, man. It's never better than today, than fucking now. So do it now, whatever the fuck it is. Just fucking do it. It's not easy. It's never gonna be easy. It's fucking hard. It's fucking patience and work and grind in the fucking dirt. But it's for freedom, man. So you don't have to work for someone else. See you next time.